West Michigan was buried under the storm of the century. And for those who lived through the blizzard of '78, the memories have lasted a lifetime. Storm teammate meteorologist Blake Harms relives the storm.
If you were around in 1978, it's a storm you likely won't ever forget.
By early afternoon, almost all of the News Center 8 viewing area was under a state of emergency.
It was the storm of all storms, the big one, once in a lifetime, or as we now refer to it, the blizzard of 1978. From Portage to Nashville, to Three Rivers, to Holland, and everywhere in between, no corner of West Michigan was left untouched. There are many we could ask about the blizzard of '78, but perhaps no one in West Michigan has the insight or stories of our own Bill Steffen. After all, his continuous coverage of the storm practically made him a celebrity.
I went from hardly anybody knowing me when I went into Myers to all of a sudden everybody in the store going, like that.
But before the fame came the forecast, and it was one Bill first thought he had overdone.
I remember a couple days ahead of time, I went for 6 to 10 inches. And I just thought, 10 inches, that's a huge snowstorm. How often does that happen, 10 inches in 24 hours? I mean, not very often. Are you really sure? We thought we were on the high side as opposed to being on the low side.